Gaia-X has built a common trust framework for data sovereignty among participants. So what we basically do is like a passport for travelers, we have a passport for data exchange and participation in data spaces. And that ensures that we have a sovereign environment when we collaborate. The basis for all of AI is basically data. Data spaces are the foundation of AI. The problem is you need data that goes beyond your own company, because we have decided to get highly specialized in the industry almost 6 years ago. So when you want to build digital twins and you want to bring those individual organizations together, you need trust, and that trust enables you to share data, and only with a complete set of data you can actually run applications like AI, because you are not holding the information all together. Well, this is a very good question. It's very important because the data business and the IT business is still entirely different to manufacturing, and there is touch points, but very standardized touch points. And I think it's important that we bring together innovation on robotics, innovation on AI, but also innovation on data spaces and sovereignty overall.